Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Biscuit. So today's video is going to be a China Glaze nail swatch video. So basically I am going to be prepping my nail swatches for regular nail polish, which is of course by the brand China Glaze. So this color that you see right here that I am putting on the nail swatch is called Rich and Famous. It's number 207. It's a really pretty pink color. And also, I had already started to do the nail swatches before. I was like, okay, well, you know what? Let me record this video. So you will see 3 of them already done. So that red one in the back is called With Love. It's number 1112. It's a really deep red color. Then you will see a kind of like beige tan color, which is called Delta Darling, which is number 1708. This one is actually from the Trolls World Tour collection from the Trolls movie. And then you will see a kind of like glittery, metallic, very vibrant glitter color, which is called Glitterific, which is 1709. So those are the ones that are already laying flat on the table. So as you see, I already did the blue. The blue is called Wait and See, literally like wait, the letter N and C, S-E-A, like the ocean. And then so now this color that I'm doing is a mint green color. Is called Highlight of My Summer, which is number 1221. And then this next hot pink color that I have is number 1012, so 1012. It's called Rose Among Thorns, which is a really hot pink color. And I love the opacity of the China Glaze collection, because most of them don't need 2 coats, but 9 times out of 10, if you want to put 2 coats on there, you can, which is recommended. So this color from China Glaze is called Fairy Dust, which is number 551, which is also like a glitter color as well. It's not as glittery as Glitterific, but it's almost mostly the same. So as you can see, like I was saying, most of China Glaze products, you don't need 2 coats, but this one in particular, I did go ahead and apply a second coat just to bring out the color a little bit more. And that's what I'm showing you, that is With Love. So, but yeah, so basically that's what this video is about, me swatching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you want to see down below. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way you never miss a video when I upload. Also follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7. Join the nail community. And yeah, hopefully you guys are being safe out there. Again, like I said, drop some comments down below. Let me know what you want to see. Whether it be, you want to see a Q&A with me, you want to know a little bit of facts about me, things like that. So it doesn't have to be nail stuff. I do actually have a nail haul coming up shortly, and some more vlogs and things like that. So I got some content out there coming for you. So hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Again, subscribe, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7, and hopefully you enjoy the video. Bye.